The distance from the southern tip of Singapore to Batam is 20 kilometers. If a ferry starts on its journey from Singapore at 10:50 am and reaches Batam at 11:30 am, calculate the speed of the ferry in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Speed equals distance over time. We have a distance of 20 kilometers. And time is. Ferry starts on its journey from Singapore at 10:50 am and reaches Batam at 11:30 am. From 10:50 am to 11:30 am, the journey took 40 minutes. We are going to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. To convert minutes into hours, we will divide 40 by 60. 40 divided by 60 equals 2/3 hours. Now, speed equals 20 divided by 2/3. 20 divided by 2/3 can be written as, by changing division sign into multiplication, next term will be reciprocal. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 10, 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. The speed of the ferry is 30 km per hour. Now, the part 2 is, calculate the speed in meter per second. There are two methods. First method is, as same as the above. Distance is 20 kilometers. Time is 40 minutes. We will convert kilometers into meters, and minutes into seconds. To find the speed in meter per hour, 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. 20 kilometers equals 20 times 1000 equals 20,000 meters. And 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So, 40 times 60 equals 2400 seconds. Now speed equals distance over time. Distance is 20,000 meters, and time is 2400 seconds. 20,000 divided by 2400 equals 8 whole 1/3. The speed of the ferry is 8 whole 1/3 meters per second. The second method is to convert the speed of the ferry directly from 30 km per hour to meter per second. Speed of the ferry is 30 km per hour. To convert kilometer into meter, 30 times 1000 meters. And 1 hour equals 3600 seconds. Now 30,000 over 3600 equals 8 whole 1/3. The speed of the ferry is 8 whole 1/3 meter per second.